Ah, you found my purse! Thank you so much! You're welcome! It's my duty! Officer Kiki, mission accomplished! Tap to equip the magical item!
I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car!
Baby bus, go!
Oh no! A bad guy just hid in the supermarket! Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a green vest, brown pants, and a blue scarf around his neck. Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. Awesome! Thank you! You're welcome! Hank, what's going on? I want to share the toys with my friends, but I can't find them. Can you help? No problem. Let's look for them together. These things are missing. Help Hank find them. Amazing! We found all the toys! Thank you! Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here?
The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out.
Don't worry, I'll fix it. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out! Little Panda's town is successfully protected. Hi! Which car are we driving today? Fire truck! Welcome to the fire station's emergency response center. I'm firefighter Kiki. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the building is on fire. There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. All fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to call the fire department if there is a fire. The fire brigade will come to the rescue immediately. Firefighting is complete. complete. Time to equip the magical item. Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose to connect. Turn the hose to tighten it. Let's connect the pipes together. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. There is an emergency call for help! Help! Some people fell in the water! Putting life buoys on the persons in water can help them float in water. Firefighter Kiki is on the way! Tap the person in the water and throw a life buoy. Tap the person in the water and throw a life buoy. Rescue mission completed! The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle. There is an emergency call for help! What shall we do? Firefighter Kiki, the baby foxes climbed up the tree for fun and now they can't get down. Please come and save them! The ladder can be raised for rescue. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. Slide the joystick and go to the bushes above for rescue. The baby foxes were successfully found. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up high. Look, the pool is short of water, and the wooden bridge cannot be crossed. Let's fill the pool with water. Drag the hose to fill the pool with water. Fantastic! The wooden bridge has floated up and it can be crossed. There is an emergency call for help! Oh no, the supermarket is on fire and many people are trapped in the supermarket! Firefighter Kiki, please come to the rescue! It's urgent! Come on, Kiki! The fire extinguisher can put out the fire. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go! There are 4 trapped people in the supermarket. Let's start looking for them. Move Kiki to find the trapped people. There is an obstacle. Get it clear.